Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, I'll be sharing with you guys how to reduce the noise intensity. Yes guys, stop hating on your neighbors naturally. Don't just naturally hate people because they on gen, because they are using like pass my neighbor. No, don't do that. Or you start chasing children up and down because they are making noise. No, you don't do that. In as much as you don't want to create your content in a very noisy place, there are some days that you cannot even, you don't have a choice because you are in Nigeria. Yes, you are in Nigeria. Okay, so in this video today, I'll be sharing with you how to reduce the noise intensity with just one click. Okay, so if that sounds interesting, then you definitely want to keep on watching. For this tutorial, we'll be using just one app. Again, it's going to be one click. So the app you're going to use is CapCut. If you're a creator and you're not using CapCut, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is not a paid advert, but please, you have to download CapCut, especially when you're editing using your mobile phone. Okay, so let's head right into CapCut. The first thing you need to do is to import your video into CapCut. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using this video that I shot when my neighbor was seriously disturbing me with his I passed my neighbor generator.
In my last video, I talked about doing crazy things. I did a whole lot of crazy things in camp and I enjoy everything.
What to do right now is to pause the video and start scrolling towards the right hand side of your screen. Scroll, almost to the end. Almost to the end, you will see reduce noise. Click on reduce noise and then on
it's red cross OBS.
You minimize and hola, that's it.
That person go rest. So camp was meat for me. In my last video, I talked about you guys should stop hiding from going to family.
So now that you've learned how to reduce the noise intensity, please stop hating on your neighbors, okay, and start creating content. All right, bye guys, see you in my next video. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. You know I love you. Bye. Mwah.